Guys, the latest Xiaomi's security beta update app is here. This version can only be used by Xiaomi employees. Don't disclose it to other people. Remember to submit your feedback to us if you encounter any problems while using security beta. This is the latest beta update of security app which is available for Xiaomi devices, and you can report your feedback, how it's going on and how the things are, which other things change here. In this video I'm going to show you all of those things. The latest update is available and you can install it manually. Also, I'm going to show you that if you get the error like can't install system applications from this package, something like that, I'll also tell you that how you can overcome that thing and you can install this latest security update. So let's get started. Guys, by default you'll see this kind of a security app on a device. You'll see there's no beta options available here. Like this normal kind of things are available where you have the security and utilities options available, also including that the cleaner, battery backup, almost everything seems to be same like this one. How you can update this app, because let me show you by going into file manager. I have downloaded both of those files. The two files which you need is the security app and the package installer. Why you need package installer? Let me tell you why. Just open this, and if we open this one, you'll see this error, can't install system applications from the unofficial channels. This is the error a lot of you guys will definitely get, so that's why I have included this thing which is called Google Package Installer. So just click this and then you need to install this package installer. I already have installed it, so that's why it's showing me like this. You need to install this package installer first. The link for this file is also in the description. You'll be able to download this, and second file which you need is a security app. It will not be installed by the default package installer, so that's why we have tried to use the Google package installer, and then click on install. It will be installed successfully without any issues, and just wait for the installation to finish, and we are gonna get back to this app very soon. So after the installation is finished, let's wait for this. Now it's done. So open your Google, then open your Xiaomi's security app, and you will see something different here like this, and which is a new Xiaomi's security app which is now updated. We have almost same kind of things are available. There is nothing like that, like the security and utilities thing which were present there, but now it's not available. You can see no security, no that utilities option available, but this is the thing which you get here. Also, if you open your battery and performance, you'll see new battery menu available. This is not available by default in some cases, and yes, if you use some rooms you have these kind of options available, but this is not available in everywhere. If you're using a global room, this might work on your room also. The thing is working very good here. Battery and performance, you also get some options available like the video toolbox. Privacy has the latest new menu. Everything seems to be different, new and updated, and we have a lot of features here which you can go and explore if you want to. The link for this file is in the description. This is the latest update which you can go and install on your Xiaomi device. Can be installed on any device, and I already shown you the method that how you can install this. This was all from today's video. If you like it, don't forget to like and share this video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe me. Thanks for watching. Get back.